Hello everyone. So today I am doing a little tiny unboxing. I got some doll clothes from Denver Doll. They are Dollmore clothes, and I have never shopped from Denver Doll before. I heard some stories that sometimes their stuff isn't really in stock when it is in stock, and sometimes it takes like 6 weeks to ship. But luckily enough, my stuff was shipped within like 2 days, and then it arrived here 3 days after that. So that was a very pleasant surprise. So, as you can see, I got 4 things. I got a pair of stockings that retailed at $5.50. I got a black shirt. It's not really a t-shirt like it says on this, but it's like a peasant blouse long sleeve shirt that was $11. And then I got a box hood t-shirt, which I thought was going to be more like a hoodie, but it's not. It's just the shirt with a hood on it, and that was $13.50. And then I got black shorts, which were $14.50. I had a moment of panic because there were only 3 things in the bag, and then I realized that I'm inept and I left one in there because I don't know. But yeah, so all 4 things were in there. So we have the shirt first. I'm doing a voiceover because that crinkling stuff is so loud. It drove my mic nuts. So here we have the shirt. It has cute little like bell sleeves, and the neckline goes over like around the shoulders like a peasant top kind of thing. The elastic was all really nice. It felt like good quality. The only thing is these little threads here, and those caused a problem when I put them on my doll. Let's just say that. It got very tangled. But other than that, the quality was great. So next we have the stockings. They were thicker than I was expecting. Let's just say that. If you look at the picture, they are very lacy looking. Well, it's confusing because there's 2 pictures. There was one that looked kind of like this, and then the other one was lacy looking. And they aren't lacy certainly, but they're really cute and really nice quality. And now we have the shorts that I think I almost lost in that package. This package crinkled the most of all the packages. I don't know why, but you can see the detailing is really cute. I like that finished edge on the waistband. There were no crazy seams that would cause me issues, and the little faux pockets are really cute. And now we have the hoodie, which isn't exactly a hoodie. I mean, it is, but it's like thin and t-shirt feeling. There was another hoodie on the website, but it was more expensive, and I'm a cheap B-word, so I got this one instead. And the one thing that's nice is the larger neck hole, because I am not good at dismantling dolls to get them dressed, so it can fit over his head fine. So here we have the final haul. I did not realize everything was black until I got it here. So there you go. And now, quickly, I dress them up. And I think those stockings are a little too big for her, which is annoying, but it's fine. They look cute with the shorts. And now you can see the, like, off-the-shoulder detail on the top. And there's Lachlan in his new hoodie. And he just looks so much more cuddly now. So I'm very, very, very happy with this purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video.